Hey guys, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today we are answering one of the most common questions I get. Brother, should I get a normal service or chemical cleaning for my AC? Guys, this is a great question, and today I will explain everything clearly. What is normal service? What is chemical cleaning? The difference between both and which one your AC actually needs. Let's go. What is normal service? Think of normal service like a routine checkup at the doctor. You go even when you feel fine, just to stay healthy. Normal service is basic maintenance, done every 3 to 4 months. Here is what a normal service includes. Step 1. Clean the air filter with water. Step 2. Clean the evaporator coil with a soft brush or light spray. Step 3. Check and clean the drain pan and drain pipe. Step 4. Clean the outdoor condenser coil with water. Step 5. Check all electrical connections. Step 6. Check running current and system performance. Total time, around 30 to 45 minutes. After normal service, AC blows cooler air, runs quieter, uses less electricity. Normal service is for ACs that are working fine. Just need regular maintenance. What is chemical cleaning? Now, chemical cleaning is a completely different level, guys. Think of it as a deep power wash for your AC. This is not just a surface clean. This goes deep inside. Here is what chemical cleaning includes. Step 1. Technician removes the indoor unit front panel completely. Step 2. The blower fan wheel is removed from the unit. This is the big difference, guys. Blower fan removal. Step 3. A special chemical solution is sprayed on the evaporator coil. This chemical dissolves thick mold, fungus, algae, and caked-on dirt. Things that normal water spray can never remove. Step 4. The blower fan wheel is soaked in chemical solution and scrubbed. Step 5. The drain pan is chemically cleaned and flushed completely. Step 6. Everything is rinsed, reassembled, and tested. Total time, around 1.5 to 2 hours per unit. Chemical cleaning reaches areas that normal service simply cannot touch. Key differences. Let me break it down simply, guys. Normal service, surface cleaning, 30 to 45 minutes, done every 3 to 4 months. Chemical cleaning, deep cleaning, 1.5 to 2 hours, done once a year. Normal service, filter and coil surface cleaned, blower fan not removed. Chemical cleaning, blower fan removed, chemically washed, deep inside cleaned. Normal service, for ACs working fine, routine maintenance. Chemical cleaning, for ACs with mold, bad smell, reduced cooling, or not serviced for a long time. Normal service, cheaper cost. Chemical cleaning, higher cost, but worth every rupee. Signs your AC needs chemical cleaning. Guys, how do you know when normal service is not enough? Look for these signs. Sign 1. Bad smell coming from AC. Musty or sour smell means mold and bacteria growing inside. Normal service cannot remove this. You need chemical cleaning. Sign 2. AC not cooling properly even after normal service. Thick dirt buildup on coil and blower is blocking airflow badly. Chemical cleaning will restore full cooling. Sign 3. Water leaking from indoor unit. Drain pan is clogged with algae and slime. Chemical cleaning will flush it completely. Sign 4. AC was not serviced for more than 6 months. Too much buildup for a normal service to handle. Go straight for chemical cleaning. Sign 5. Blower fan making noise. Dirt buildup on blower wheel causes imbalance and noise. Only chemical cleaning removes blower fan and cleans it properly. Which one do you need? Simple rule, guys. I always tell my customers this. If your AC is working fine and you service it regularly, normal service every 3 to 4 months is perfect. But if your AC has bad smell, poor cooling, water leaking, or not serviced in a long time, chemical cleaning is what you need. And guys, do chemical cleaning at least once a year. Even if your AC seems fine, because mold and bacteria build up inside slowly. You don't see it, but it is affecting your health and your electricity bill. Chemical cleaning once a year. Normal service every 3 to 4 months. This combination keeps your AC running perfectly for 15 to 20 years. Guys, now you know the full difference. Normal service, routine maintenance, every 3 to 4 months. Chemical cleaning, deep clean, once a year, or when AC shows problems. Never skip your AC service, guys. A clean AC saves electricity, lasts longer, and keeps your family healthy.